right, we're here. Oh shit. Oh, this is nice.
Oh, I did not have a chance for that. Actually.
Should we roll it back?
Yeah, that landing is just infinite.
Yeah, I'm gonna roll it back.
But I'm already loving this time.
This is fucking great.
Like, I wish I'd on that first drop.
Uh-huh.
I couldn't see it.
Yeah,
And then as soon as I got there, I was like, why did I not just hit this?
yeah.
It's not bad at all.
I know, same here. Honestly, I got bleeding my brakes. They're not working, so.
Brakes are overrated.
That's what I was just thinking.
They're like stuff you put in your tire.
Yeah. Ooh. Alright. This turn will be good. How's my speed for you?
What?
How's my speed for you? You good?
I mean, on the tech stuff, like, I could go faster, but also
Okay.
I feel like we're gonna get to the jumps and I'm just gonna hit the brakes and, like, slam them in front of you, and I don't want to do that.
Alright.
It's a long trail. We can do it if we want.
Yeah. I'm gonna clean my lens real quick. That's one thing I learned about this thing early on. Clean your fucking lens.
Already though, I like this a lot more than Sandy Ridge.
Nice. Yeah, it's definitely more techy.
I feel like a big part of it is just it's just as wet here as it was there, but like, it doesn't matter. The trail's holding it so well.
Okay, I'm gonna get my ears back on. Tie my goggles up. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Let's go. Oh, wash it out. Sorry about that. Whoa, whoa. This is nice. Oop. Nice, dude. First section. Let's switch it up. You got this. Because I can't see. Shite.
Some of those corners are slick.
That was slipping out, dude. It was good.
My rear tire is just useless.
Yeah.
Doing absolutely nothing.
It's a good time. Okay. A little bit of water break. I'm down. I'm pretty sure we go to right. Okay. Check it all.
Alright, ready?
Yeah. Let's go. Let's go chill area. I can't see fucking shit out of these things. You mind if I use that microfiber?
Oh yeah, go for it. I'm blind.
I am blind as a bat.
My feet are also just soaked to the brim already.
That was good though. Alright. Still on Thrillium.
That is pretty awesome.
That's fucking great. How's this looking? Still on there? Not missing? Okay.
I haven't lost it.
Cool. That's all that matters. You can go again. You're going faster. That was cool. Stop recording.